Hello gentle ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a quick fast forward tutorial on how to achieve this pink/purple smoky eye fantasy look. Pink eye. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the first thing, you touch yourself, you tell yourself you're beautiful, you love yourself, and then you just imagine your brows are gone. You block them. You take this spray and you spritz yourself on top and on the bottom, and then you use some gay hands to dry it off. Then you take some kind of an orange color and you just slap it wherever your under color would be dark. Then you wave, you say hello, and you keep on tapping that finger on your face. And then you take a powder puff and you put some powder on it and you set all of this orange. Yes. Then you take a foundation. Here we go. This is a BT Kryolan TV paint stick, and you just slap it all over your face. You wave again to the camera and you start blending, and you blend and blend. It's something like this sound. Yes. Then you take a beauty blender, which is moist on the bigger side, and you just keep on blending, and this sounds more like this. And then we take a darker color. This is a 12W, and we go around our face, we contour, we make some ugly faces, so we see where our extra skin is gonna be hanging, so we can cut it out. You also slap some on your nose, and then you take like a flat synthetic brush and you just keep on blending it in. And thank God this is fast forward, because this step takes the most. Yeah, don't forget to pop your neck, your back, and then with the same brush we go over the nose, we blend it upwards, and then we take the same beauty blender and we start blending and 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 blending, and then you blink a couple of times. Okay, so now we do the highlight. This is a TV white, and we just go around all the places that we wanted to highlight, that we want to pop. And then we take a beauty blender, we turn it around to the other side, and you start blending the edges, and you blend and blend, and goddamn it, you blend, and you take some more time to blend, and then you blend, and then you turn the beauty blender, and then you blend again, and you blend and blend. Okay, so we take the powder puff, we put some powder on it, and we set the whole face, and like we put a lot of the powder so that nothing will move anymore. Make sure that all the creases are nicely blended, and here we go. Now you tap it all in. There is a reason why it's called beating your face, because in this moment we're exactly doing that. We're beating our face, and the sound, you hear, okay, doesn't matter. Now we take the brush and we start stamping all this powder that was in there first, as you can see, and then we take a different brush and we take a palette that it's done, so girl, throw it away because there's nothing, but hey, we're on a budget, so we're gonna make it work. We take some of that brown and we slap it on the forehead, and we start blending. So everywhere where we put a darker contour, we basically now reinforce with some powder. And the same thing as we did on the nose, we contour our nose. This is like a super quick contour of the nose. Yes, choice, left, right, left. Okay, then we take some white eyeshadow and like this brush, and yeah, we break it. Not funny, girl. We take the brush, coat it with white powder, and we put it on top of the nose, and we drag it upwards like 3/4 into the brow, and we blend. Then we take a powder puff, and again we take something which is finished, girl, you can throw it away. We start putting it between the highlight and the contour, so we have like a transition shade. And we also snatch the jaw. Okay, here are some smiley lines, so I take some really good time to blend into them, so there is like extra powder holding everything together that nothing will move. Then with the same powder puff, we go into the even lighter color. We highlight everything that we did with the powder. We reinforce that cheek. Yes, we fix it, and then we start blending everything in by tapping first, and then we take the same brush that we stamped everything before in, and we start stamping and blending, so everything will move so that there's no residue left of the powder I meant. And then we go back to the fix, and then we coat our face with it. Look, 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 I'm glowing, beautiful. Then you take a deep breath, you exhale and you say namaste, yay. Okay, then we go back to that brush, and then we take that something that you don't even see what you take, that brown, and then we make that cheek pop even more, and then we blend. And as you figured out, you blend and 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 you blend. You blend over the nose, you blend under the jaw, and you blend and you blend. And then you take the powder puff again, and now we're actually gonna bake. So we're gonna cook down there and cook under the eyes. Ooh, she's zooming in. Okay, we take a MAC Stubborn Brown pencil to draw the brow with. And here we go. Ooh, that was a zoom. So you make a sketch of that, some kind of a boomerang that might or might not come back later, and you just fill it in before you throw it, and there you have two totally different brows. You set them with the angle brush and some powder, and you keep on moving out of the frame because why not? This is what you should have. And yeah, to clean it, we take a foundation stick with a little bit of foundation on it, and we go on top of the brow in one swipe, and here we go. And then with the same brush we dip into the white, and we clean up the eyebrow from beneath. We fill all that space in, and we also drag all that white on our eyelid. This is what we have. Then we take a brush that we're gonna basically blend all that white. So this would be my mini beauty blender. Thank you. Okay, so we take the time to blend the edges. Then we take a brush with some pink on it, because this is pink eye. And we start putting the first color, which is going to be our transition color, just like a light baby pink. Then we take a different brush and we start putting like a darker pink, and we start kind of mapping out, cutting our crease where the crease would be, and we start blending everything upwards. We take our time and we blend. I mean, this video should be just called blend. So this is it, what you have. Then you take that first brush with no extra product, and we just start blending all that pink that was there. This is what we have. We take the eyeliner, we draw the line as close as we can or not to the eyelash, and then we look up, down, look up. This is what you have. You fill it out, then you look up, you keep on going over your crease a little bit. This is what you would have. And while it's still wet, with some purple pigment, we set all that black. And thank God there is a powder underneath the eye, because there is a lot of fallout with this pigment. And then we just, the top of the brush, we keep on blending. This is what we would have. Then we go back to that second brush with that darker pink, and we keep on blending the edges. And we keep on blending and blending. And then with the first brush, we start blending all the pink everywhere. And here we go. We dust the bake away so that we can move to the bottom of the eye. And we're gonna just, with the same darker pink, we're gonna drag it in the inner corner, and we're just gonna blend there. And we take the angle brush with some black, and we reinforce that, and with the brush with some purple on it, we just start blending. And we blend to like a 3/4 of the eye, and then on another brush we take like a skin color brown that we just blend the corner with. On this type of a brush, whatever this brush is, we take a tiny bit of like a hot pink, we put it in the corner of the eye, and we blend it in, and then we turn the brush around because this brush has this other type of a brush in the back, and we blend. Now you touch your cheek, and then you show the two different colors that you're gonna put, and you start smacking that on top of the cheek that you touch, which is your blush. And then you take your time blending it. Then you take another brush which doesn't have any product on, and what do? We blend, and this is what we end up with. You take some what is this? It's like a pigment, exactly, like pearl pink pigment that we put on a highlight, as a highlight. So we highlight there and there and there and there and there, and you keep on blending. And yes, then you take another type of highlight, which is broken, because why not? We dip the brush in, and then we just add like an extra pop of the different highlight. Yes. Then you touch your lips, you take the pencil, you make some weird faces, and you just start outlining that lip. Yes, and you keep on zooming, and as you can see, we want to make a bigger lip, so we go like all the way, to the middle of the chin, and then we fill that in, all of it, and this is what we have. And then we take this lipstick and we just smack it everywhere where we didn't put the lip liner, and we basically just blend it into that lip liner. And this would be kind of like the finished thing, is it? Would be? Hello? Yes. We take that white foundation that we had, that we did the bottom of the brow with. So we keep that brush, and then we just put it in the middle of the lip, and this is what we have. You smile at the camera, and then you smile again, and you have lashes and a gap. Fabulous. So, here we go. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, leave a comment, go stalk me on Instagram. Just do something. Enjoy the quarantine, everybody. Bye!